Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to compare the specifications and the details between both phones, Realme GT Master Edition versus the Realme GT series. Let's see what are the differences between the specifications of these both phones and which phone is kind of really worth of buying. So at this point of making this video, we don't know about the price range of these both phones, but depending on the specifications, we can actually guess the price. Let's see what will be the price and which phone is actually worth it. If you open the Flipkart website, you can actually find a few details regarding the processor and the charging speed and the display refresh rate and touch sampling rate. So about few things you will be able to find in the Flipkart website, where you can actually see the processors and the different configurations as well. But right now let's explore first thing about the processor. The processor in the Realme GT will be having the Snapdragon 888 processor, as you can see, and in the Realme GT Master will be having Snapdragon 778G processor. That's one difference is there between the both phones, Realme GT Master versus Realme GT series. So in terms of the performance, definitely friends, the Realme GT will be really clear winner, Snapdragon 888 processor. But one thing is that the price, what price the Realme GT gonna launch? So if the price is coming close to 34,000, maybe 33,000, maybe yes, then we can actually think of buying the Realme GT. But if the price goes up to close to maybe 37,000 or maybe 39,000, then we should think again, because there are other options which are available at this kind of price range as well. So I'm not sure exactly. So can I recommend or not? Let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your price, what you're thinking about the Realme GT. And regarding the processor, obviously the Realme GT is a clear winner, but let's move to the display. In terms of the display, both phones are completely same. Yes, exactly friends. If the Explorer edition is getting launched, the phone has got the curved display. So then it makes a lot of sense. But right now in this case, both phones are having completely same. There's nothing apart to talk about the display segment. That's a one common thing between both phones. Not only that, even in the camera segment as well, same kind of specifications you can actually see between both phones regarding the camera as well. That's another thing you should definitely take a look. And regarding the front cam is a 32 megapixel in the Realme GT Explorer edition, and whereas the Realme GT has got the 16 megapixel. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning. So it looks kind of really close to each other only, friends, in terms of the specifications. So except processor and the battery as well, which I'll try to show you right now. The battery in the Realme GT Master has got the 4300 mAh of battery capacity, whereas the Realme GT has got the 4500 mAh of battery capacity. So slightly more battery than the Master edition which we got right now. So both phones, they do have the in-display fingerprint scanner as well. As you can see, in-display fingerprint scanner, USB Type-C port, which is a 2.0 USB Type-C port. Right now we are seeing in the OnePlus phones, OnePlus 9R and OnePlus 8T, they're having the USB Type-C 3.1 port, because 3.1 will be really helpful for the data transfer rates, high speeds. That's what I meant. That's the one thing which is missing right now. I think both phones, they're having 3.5mm jack. As you can see, friends, 3.5mm jack is present. So that's also another added advantage between both phones as well in terms of this one. And overall, friends, in terms of the specifications, only the processor is making a lot of sense to think whether to buy the Realme GT or Realme GT Master Edition. So depending on the price, if the Realme GT comes close to maybe, as I said, 33,000 or 34,000, I'm not sure whether it will be coming, but still, in case if the Realme thinks to bring this kind of tough competition with the Snapdragon 870 chipsets, then maybe if it comes to 34,999, then that will be a really good deal for the Snapdragon 888 chipset. I can already say maybe they can launch with the 35,999 and give for the first sale for the discount for the bank offer, something like that. At least if they can do like that, then there will be a really good deal for the Realme GT. But where is the Realme GT Master Edition? Maybe if it comes close to 23,000 or maybe 23,000 should be kind of good, because anything more than that, there are a lot of people, they'll think of buying the Realme X1 Max, which is another quite powerful than this Realme GT Master Edition, which is Snapdragon 778G. That's the one thing you should definitely understand before actually deciding. So price is the only one thing right now is stopping us to decide which phone is a clear winner. So in the performance segment, definitely the Realme GT is a clear winner. But what will be the price? If the price of this Realme GT is going to be 40,000 or 38,999, 39,999, then we do have other options in the same range. Then we should wait for the iQOO 8, maybe iQOO 8. That's the one thing. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is the overall comparison between both phones. So nothing much difference is there apart from the less battery in this phone and less processor chipset in this Realme GT Master. Let's see with the 5G bands. So 5G bands, which phone can actually support how many 5G bands? Maybe that can change, I think so. I'm not sure exactly. Let's see. That's going to be really interesting comparison between both phones. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick idea and quick complete playlist comparison, complete specifications comparison between both phones. So now you got a clear idea what is happening with the specifications between both phones, and let me know in the comment section below which phone are you interested more. That's what I'm going to exactly see it, and then depending on the comments only I'll be able to buy the device. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.